Hi everyone, in this tutorial I want to talk about comparison operators. So Boolean expressions often involve comparison operators that can be evaluated to determine if they are true or false. Comparison operators include equal sign, less than sign, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and the not equal sign. Okay. So Java programming language writes these comparison operators as follow. For the equality, we use double equal sign. This is very important. Always for the equality, use double equal sign. Okay. And as you can see, these are the other signs: greater than sign, less than sign, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and for the inequality, we use the the not sign, the bank sign plus the equal. Okay. This is the inequality sign. Okay, so comparison operators are used to form expressions that can be evaluated as true or false. For example, we might ask if there are more than 100 wrestlers in the gym using the following expression: number of wrestlers is greater than 100. If there are more than 100 wrestlers in the gym, then this expression will evaluate to true. If there are 100, okay, if there are exactly 100 or fewer wrestlers in the gym, then this expression will evaluate to false. Okay, question: is 10 greater than 30? Expression 10, as you can see, I am using the greater than sign. 30. Okay. Question: did Tyson defeat his opponent? An expression: Tyson is greater than his opponent. This is the expression for that specific question. And another question: did you get a perfect score? Okay, and here expression score is equal to 100. And as you can see, this is just the explanation about the comparison operators. This is just an introduction. Later in the next section, we will be working on it when we are coding in Java. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.